This video clip will demonstrate how to perform the Tonic Lab reflex in supine. As the name suggests, the test position is supine. And what's really critical about this test position is that everything remain in midline. The head, the upper extremities, the trunk, and the lower extremities. We really don't want the head to be rotated to either direction because then you can start to see some of the AT&R reflex come into play and it just won't be as clean of a reflex assessment. So the test position is supine, and what's unique about this reflex is that the stimulus is also supine. So the stimulus is the test position. You're going to observe the infant in supine and see if you see any increase in extension tone into the surface. So this child with a positive response would be extending into the support surface, and the support surface would be providing stabilization. Beyond that, you want to passively flex the upper and lower extremities up, and while you do that, you want to palpate for resistance to this motion. A positive response, you'll feel extension tone in the posterior structures here, or you may even see the limb resisting that movement and being pulled down to the ground. So you're flexing the limb up passively and you're palpating for that resistance. You would do the same thing for the upper extremities. You're flexing the limb up and you're palpating to see if there's any increase in extension tone. That would be a positive response that we would expect between 4 and 6 months of age. A negative response is that there's no resistance when you're lifting the limb up, that the limb moves freely.